Man, I love pizza parties. Isn't that right, Rayquaza?
I do indeed love pizza parties, Ash Ketchum.
Oh man, I'm out of popsicles. Hey, Rayquaza, could you go get me some more popsicles? They're in the refrigerator.
Sure, Ash Ketchum. Wait a minute. This is a refrigerator. I'm a Dragon-type Pokemon. I can't get Ash Ketchum's popsicles when Dragon-type Pokemon are weak to ice. I bet even touching this refrigerator will send me into cardiac arrest.
Rayquaza, are you okay over there?
What do I do? This is an impossible predicament. I told Ash Ketchum I would get popsicles, but I can't do it. What's wrong with me?